Ready to automate your scheduling and never miss a lead again. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Highlevel account and navigate to your calendar section, likely found on the left-hand navigation bar. Once in the calendar section, select the specific calendar you want to integrate with Retell Ai. This is typically the calendar you use for booking appointments with leads and customers. Now, head over to your Retell Ai dashboard and find the Integrations or Connect section. The exact location can vary, but it's usually easily identifiable. Within the Integrations area, search for Highlevel and click to connect it to Retell Ai. Follow the prompts on the screen and authorize the connection. Between the two platforms, you'll need your Highlevel account login details, but Retell Ai will guide you through the connection process. You might need to grant Retell Ai access to specific data, like your calendar, but rest assured, these permissions are essential for the integration to work. Be sure to read the terms of service. This might involve providing the necessary API keys from Highlevel, and then you will connect the desired calendar. After successfully connecting your Highlevel calendar, return to Retell Ai. The next step is to map your Highlevel calendar to a call flow in Retell Ai. This ensures that when someone schedules through Retell Ai, the appointment appears on your Highlevel calendar. Now review your settings to make sure everything is properly connected and saved. You can send a test call to yourself to confirm that Retell Ai is booking appointments into your Highlevel calendar, and now you're good to go. Start automating your scheduling and spend more time growing your business.